Another open PHA tool that is available in the premium is the ability to translate a study. Now, the translation is automatic, so it's going to be equivalent to translate.bing.com. Actually, it'll be exactly the same as translate.bing.com. You might be more familiar with translate.google.com, but these are just automatic engines that are going to do their best to do bulk translations of all of the information that's in a study. So how this happens is, let's say I'm in this study and I want to translate it, and this could happen for a number of reasons. I know that there are a lot of global organizations where the PHAs are required to be done in the local language, but they need to be reviewed by someone at headquarters that possibly speaks a different language. So this mechanism is going to give you a really decent translation of the content completely automatically and completely inside the Open PHA framework. So I would just go into Premium Tools, click Translate Study, and then I would decide what option or what language I would like to translate into. So let's go ahead and translate this into Simplified Chinese. Hit the Translate button, and when I do that, all the work is happening on the Kenexis servers in the background. So as I've already brought up, all the content in Open PHA Studies is ASCII text. It's contained in text files in a format called JavaScript Object Notation, or JSON. And what the software does is it takes all of the contents. So a JSON file is going to be a tag that indicates what the content is, and then the content itself. So it's going to essentially send all of the content one item at a time to the translate engine at Bing, or Azure technically, and then Azure sends the information back. The software creates a new study in the new language and places it into your directory. Now, this could take a long time because there's a lot of activities going on, but when it's done, you simply go back to the study list, and you'll see right here that even the title has been translated. So when I click on this study, you'll see now that everything in the worksheets, everything in the recommendations list, everything is now been translated into Chinese. So very powerful tool that leverages the cloud-based version of our software.